In most companies, businesses and schools, you will have what's called a fire warden or fire marshal kit. This is a mandatory in different sectors such as the care industry, where there must be a fire warden or a fire marshal kit. The kit must be placed somewhere where it can be easily accessed, for example by an entrance door, and this is so that the warden or marshal has all the necessary equipment to hand should a fire break out. The kit is normally in a plastic box with a grab handle on the top, and sometimes it's fixed to the wall. When you open it up, the first thing you should find is a high-vis vest. This will normally be marked fire warden or fire marshal, and of course it's high visibility so people can easily see the person wearing it. This is especially useful at night time in smoky areas or simply if the area is very crowded. Other things inside the kit include a sign which may direct people to a fire assembly point, or the warden or marshal may simply be able to hold it above their head and become the assembly point themselves. The kit will normally also contain some sort of torch, and this is to improve visibility, which can easily and obviously be used at night or attract attention. Most torches are battery powered, so make sure the torch is maintained with working batteries, otherwise it's useless. The torch may also be a wind-up one, where you have to produce the charge yourself. You may want to consider investing in a high-powered torch, as this has more chance of being able to penetrate thicker smoke, which will allow you to better orientate yourself and others. The kit may also contain some form of alarm system, which may simply be a whistle or perhaps an air horn, and larger kits may contain a megaphone to help notify people that there is a fire. All the contents of the fire warden or fire marshal kit will be of some use as long as it's been properly maintained. If your workplace does not have such a kit, it may be worth notifying your employer, as they really could be the difference between life and death.